trying to assess the Sansui integrated A-5 amplifier. I tested it before and it seems like the power supply is not stable. You can't see here because the phone records very well, but this LED light flickers and the power is on, but you can't see anything. And I'm not sure if you can hear, but there's definitely sparking between the coils inside the transformer. And because of that, the power isn't stable. It really varies. It tries to keep the power stable, but it varies. Luckily, with this powerful capacitors and so on, and the circuit is pretty simple, very few components. It is able to keep somehow a power supply around a certain range, so the preamplifier actually works. So this STK465 single chip amplifier manages to handle the preamplification. But the power amplification, one channel is very much affected, and that's the preamp, the inputs. Virtually no components anywhere. So it's a very simple thing, but the most complicated thing, I mean, I don't have the skills to rewind the transformer, and finding one that matches exactly, because it has yellow, orange, red, white and black and blue inputs. I think that's the power. And then on this other side, it gets the yellows and the blacks, and some go here for input. It's complicated.